sit nou in die kar en ek gaan nou net praat van die, omdat ek nou dink aan dit sommer. Kyk. Jammer dat ek nou pause, wat as maar net om iets om aan te dink, verstaan, maar ek wil net sê, kyk hier, when you grow up in life, né, as jy opgroei in die lewe, en dit kom so dat jy moet net gaan wees, just be kind to people, as al wat jy moet maak, because môre, as jy groot man, right, of kom ek sê, let's say you finish with school, né, en you all go your separate ways, né, op skole, of verstaan, dis op skool, en dit's altyd naar gewees aan hy persoon, you were nasty with that person, you didn't respect that person, en een mooi dag, dan, sê maar 3-4 na jaar, 3-4 years after that, you guys meet each other again, right? And that person that were you so, jy was so onbeskof, you so nasty with that person, op school, net, of, ja, opgegroeid, en so onbeskof, whatever. And you go to a place where the person that you didn't expect it will be there, works there, and that person is, let's say, a supervisor, manager, or assistant manager, or basically a general manager, of, you know, someone that, you know, heeft, kom ek sê maar, dat die company ook dra, kom ons gebruik die term. And I wouldn't say that it is all depends on that person, but just imagine that person is gonna interview you, and you see that person again, en dan alle goedes wat sy gedoen het, all those things that you have done in school, of wat sy gedoen het na school, wat sy so beskof gewees het, en net, alles kom net terug na jou toe, maar ek het die persoon so lelik gehanteer, maar nou kom die gedeelte uit, that person, know how you treat it, know how you treat her, or how you treat them, or whatever, en dan kom het net so, this person actually doesn't care about what happened, or what you said, or what you did to them. They're actually kind people. And then you sit there and say, and think to yourself, but I was so rude to this person in school, or after school, or calling them names and stuff like that. And then you find yourself working under that person, and then you need to report to that person, and so on. So, the thing is this, man. Be kind, and don't be rude to people. Don't be rude to people, because you don't know where you're gonna get that person in life. You don't know where you're gonna get that person in life, people. It can be 4-5 years from now. Jy kan miskien van stuk langs in die pad, of miskien iets gebeur met jou of so, and then that person that you think nothing of in school, or yeah, that person will help you. Sorry for my baard. That person will help you. En dan gaan sy voel soos jou, dan voel sy soos iemand wat, I need to apologize to this person over at school. Maar that is just what I wanted to talk about, man. Don't think nothing about someone when you are young, or maybe you think you're a little bit better than that person, of julle gaan, people is not gonna stay the same, you know. We all grow up, and we're gonna go separate ways, and then one day you see that person have this and have that, and that same person that you were rude to, I think nothing of, you're gonna go to that person's, I don't say, yeah, you're gonna go somewhere, and then you're gonna find that one person there that you were so rude about, and sy gaan 5 persoon vra, is daar miskien nie 'n werkie, isn't there work for me, how gaan dit en so, but that is just how it is, guys. Ek dink dis maar nie realiteit. But my message is net, just be kind, man. Just be kind to one another. You'd say you don't know when you're gonna need that person somewhere, somehow, someday, you know. And yeah, that's it, guys, for me, from my side. I just want to share that with you. Just be kind. It takes nothing to be kind. Greet. They have a little chat with each other, or so on. If you didn't speak on school, it's fine. But cheers, guys. Be safe. Be kind to one another.